I am Zakita Kin from First BCom B, studying in KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this, we are going to see about admission of a partner. First, let us know what is meant by admission of a partner. Admission of a partner is one of the modes of reconstituting the firm because with the new admission of a new partner, existing agreement comes to an end and new agreement among the partners come into force. According to the section 31(1) of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted only with the acceptance of all the existing partners. Whenever a partner is admitted in the partnership firm, he acquires two rights. Firstly, right to share in the assets of the partnership firm, and secondly, right to share the profits of the business. When a new partner gets admitted, there are necessary adjustments, accounting adjustments made in the accounts. That is, adjustment in the profit sharing ratio, adjustment for goodwill, adjustment for revaluation of assets and liabilities, adjustment for reserves and other accumulated profits, adjustment for capital. In this video, we are going to see about one sum regarding the how to find the profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio, and one sum regarding the sacrificing ratio. Adjustment in the profit sharing ratio. Whenever a partner is admitted into the firm, he will get some shares in the profits of the firm, and the old partners are required to sacrifice some shares of profits in favor of the new partner. In order to divide the future profits, it becomes essential to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. The share of profit for the new partner will obviously be determined by agreement. In the absence of any specific agreement, the partners are supposed to divide the future profits and losses equally. The profit sharing ratio changes when a new partner gets admitted, when the existing partner retires from the firm, or during the death of the partner. Sacrificing ratio. When a new partner gets admitted, the old existing partners will surrender some of their shares in the favor of the new partner. So, the surrender of shares by the old partner is made in certain ratios. This is called sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio can be calculated by sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Let us see one sum regarding how to find the new ratio and when the new shares of the incoming partner is given without the details of sacrifice made by the old partners. Let us see the sum. There are two partners, P and Q. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 3:2. The newly admitting are for 1/5 of the shares in the future profits. Let us find the new ratio and sacrificing ratio. In the first step, we need to assume the total profit as 1. We need to find the remaining shares. So let us subtract the total profits from the shares brought by the R. His remaining shares is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. We will be getting 4 by 5. In the second step, we need to calculate the new shares of each partner separately. So let us find P's new share. P's new share is equal to 3 by 5 into the remaining shares 4 by 5. When we multiply it, we will be getting 12 by 25. Q's new share equal to 2 by 5 into remaining shares 4 by 5, we will be getting 8 by 25. R's new share we will need to find. So 1 by 5 is this. The 1 by 5 share is the future profit sharing ratio. So we need to bring the denominator as 25. So it is easy to calculate the new ratio. So 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, we will be getting 5 by 25. Therefore, the new ratio of P is to Q is to R equal to 12 is to 8 is to 5. Since there is no information regarding the R acquirement from P and Q separately, let us assume the partner's old ratio itself as sacrificing ratio. Therefore, sacrificing ratio of P and Q is 3:2. In this case, the old ratio and the new ratio of the partners are given. We need to find the sacrificing ratio. Let us see one example. There are two partners, X and Y. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 4:2. They admitted Z, and the new profit sharing ratio of X and Y, X, Y and Z is 5:3:2. We need to calculate sacrificing ratio. Since all the informations like new ratio and old ratio are given, it is easy for us to calculate sacrificing ratio through the formula sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. When we calculate the X and Y sacrificing ratio separately, that is X sacrificing ratio equal to 4 by 6 minus 5 by 10. Since the denominators are uneven, we need to take LCM. When we take LCM, we will be getting denominator as 60. When we solve this, when we solve this, we will be getting 10 by 60. And the same with it, we need to calculate Y sacrificing ratio. So Y sacrificing ratio equal to 2 by 6 minus 3 by 10. Since in the same we need to take LCM for the denominator 6 and 10, we will be getting 60. When we solve the 2 by 6 minus 3 by 10, we will be getting 2 by 60. So the answer is 10 by 10:2. When we can solve it, so we can make it more simple, because 10:2 is in the same table. That is, when we simplify it, we will be getting 5:1. Thank you for watching this video. We will be solving more sums in the upcoming video.